So now I want to show a device I just assembled and have a 3D printed case for, called the MiSTer. The MiSTer is a programmable hardware system that you can use to actually run many different older computers, as well as consoles for video games, which it's mainly known for. But for the Vintage Computer Show, I am interested in the computers that it can run, literally in hardware native. So here's what the screen looks like. And what you can do is, first, this is the Apple II. I can mount a disk, for instance, Beyond Castle Wolfenstein. So here we have the software loaded, and it's complete with audio and video, and joysticks, keyboard, all that kind of thing can be plugged into the if you have a USB version. And I can use the joystick here, and I'm here I can run a Mac Plus, and you can see the telltale black and white pattern comes up. And then it has no disk, so you can mount a floppy and then you see the Happy Mac. Welcome to Macintosh. It's pretty accurate because it's the real code and the real hardware being programmed after meticulously being created by authors that examined the chips. And yeah, this is the full menus and everything of a Mac. Okay, so let's try to run the Amiga. And now we have the insert disk. Now we select a disk, and we'll select Pac-Man. And then here we are. And there you have Amiga running Pac-Man. So that's the MiSTer, and just a sampling of what it can do. And you see I have two controllers, sort of generic controllers. One is wireless, and one is wired, and it just plugs in the wireless dongle and the regular USB, and you can plug in a Wi-Fi, so you can edit the files directly, sharing across Windows even. And that's about it. This is a great tool for vintage computing and gaming.